And then if we take the next left.
Hang on, I'll pull over.
Thank you. That's my outlet there. If we go round the corner, just in case the bus comes. So if you just use a little bit of brake, roll your clutch in. I'm just going to put you into one if your clutch is in.
Yeah.
And leave your clutch in just in case we meet another one. And then what we'll do, we'll go up. There's always something.
Okay.
Let's just pull up here. I'm going to just run down the road and get me old way. So if you just in case, do a creep pass in case they want to come out.
Yeah.
That's it. Perfect. Lovely. Good job. All right. Well, you stay here. I'm just going to go and retrieve my old
Yeah.
plate.
Okay.
For legal purposes, you just need to turn the engine off.
Yeah.
Because there is a thing, if you're as a provisional license holder, if you're sat with the engine running, you're technically like in charge of the car. So it's like, I'll be back.
Okay.
Oi, oi, oi.
How's just got out. The license plate just fucking flipped up in my face. So I had to just go round the corner and pull up by the side. And he's just got out and he's did a little jog to go and retrieve the plate.
Got it.
Yay! You're gonna watch back a funny voice note I sent to Thingy.
Sorry?
You're gonna watch back on the camera a voice note I sent to my friend. The license plate just flipped up. It was hilarious. How it's just running on my license plate. I forgot that I was recording. Just bypass it when you get to it. It's quite funny.
Alright, you're going to listen to it now.
No, don't listen to it.